Now, next topic is double fertilization and triple fusion. Double fertilization and triple fusion. This is egg and two are synergids, filiform operators. Antipodals. So after entering into the synergies, the pollen tube discharged two male gametes into the cytoplasm of the synergids. See, right now. So this is the pollen tube. When this pollen tube entered into the synergids, right now, after entering into the synergids, the pollen tube released two male gametes into the cytoplasm of the synergids. So here, the first one is based on that. So different types of fertilizations. The first one is syngamy. What is syngamy? So fusion of one of the male gamete with egg cell. See. So these two are which one? Male gametes. In previous topics we discussed that the pollen tube carries two male gametes. Right now. So one of the male gamete fuses with egg. Right now. This is one male gamete and this is one male gamete. This male gamete fuses with egg cell. As a result, it can develop into zygote. So egg is N and male gamete also N, but zygote is 2N because the fusion of two haploid right now nuclei produce 2N, so zygote is diploid. And this syngamy, or it is also called generative fertilization. It is also called generative fertilization. Syngamy or generative fertilization. Yes, what is syngamy? Fusion of one of the male gamete with egg cell, that is called syngamy. Right now, or it is also called generative fertilization. My question is, why we are calling as a generative fertilization? Is there any reason? Yes. See, when the first male gamete fuses with the egg, as a result, right now, the fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization or syngamy, and it is also called generative fertilization. Why? What is the reason? This zygote, right now, develop into embryo, and then embryo develop into seed. On germination, it is going to produce the next generation. Because of that reason, it is called generative fertilization. Now, triple fusion, double fertilization, triple fusion. See, triple fusion. So, but here, this syngamy or generative fertilization was discovered by Strasburger. Who discovered this generative fertilization or syngamy? The generative fertilization or syngamy was discovered by Strasburger. Right now, triple fusion. So what is this triple fusion? The second male gamete fuse the, see which one? This is the second male gamete. This second male gamete fuses with central cell or secondary polar nuclei. Central cell or secondary polar nuclei. See, this is N and this is N and this is also N. Male gamete N, and in central cell we know how it was developed, all the things we discussed in previous classes. So that's what it is 2N. So the 2N plus N as a result developing which one? Form 3N. See, whenever the second male gamete fuses with the central cell, as a result it develop into which one? Pen. 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 So what is this PEN? Primary endosperm nucleus. What is this PEN? Primary endosperm nucleus. What is PEN? Primary endosperm nucleus. What is the ploidy of this pen? The ploidy of the pen is 3N or triploid. So later on, this primary endosperm nucleus develop into endosperm. This is about triple fusion. Sir, what about double fertilization? In the embryo sac of the angiosperms, see, one of the male gamete fuses with egg and the second male gamete fuses with the central cell. As a result, right ma'am, how many fertilizations are taking place? 2 fertilizations. What are those 2 fertilizations? Generative fertilization and vegetative fertilization. See, this triple fusion is also called vegetative fertilization. Sir, how you can say that is a vegetative fertilization? See, so second male gamete fuses with central cell, as a result it will develop into endosperm, but it is not involved in the production of next generation. But this PEN develop into endosperm and it provide the nutrients to the developing embryo. Because of that reason it is called vegetative generation, but the syngamy is also called generative fertilization. Where ma? Double fertilization in the embryo sac of the angiosperms. Right now, so the occurrence of syngamy and triple fusion is taking place, hence it is called double fertilization. But this double fertilization was discovered by Navashin. S.G. Navashin. This is about double fertilization and triple fusion. This is about double fertilization and triple fusion.